Hello, Stephen. We meet again. The third time. Now his head is soaking wet and he's roaming us around. Now he will roam around, jumping over leaves and being his goatly self. As I said before, he is Labrador, Golden Retriever and Goat. As we go to get him from the other side, he finds a way, a secret way. Where will he go? No, he is too scared. Will he go down? Because if he does, he may get hurt. What will he do? I think he's going for the jump. Come on, Stephen. It's too dangerous, buddy. And you know. What is he going to do now? As he leads us to his natural habitat. He showed us all around as he walks across and he runs to the leaf. Will he eat it for food or will he drink the water? What will Stephen do? What will he do? What are you gonna do, Steve? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? He's going to eat leaves from his natural habitat. What are you doing, Stephen? Goodbye, Steve, as we leave him alone in his natural habitat.